Hi everyone, in this video we're going to look at using a random number table and how it can be a tool to help us get a random sample. Okay, so random samples can be selected by drawing items from a bag or using a random number table. A random number table is a table of the digits 0 to 9 all arranged out in a random order. Typically, computer programs generate random number tables. It is similar to placing slips of paper with the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 in a jar. The 10 digits are thoroughly mixed up and then a slip is selected. The number on the slip is recorded and then returned to the jar. The process is repeated, generating a random list of the digits 0s through 9s. The following is an example of a random number table. And they're often organized like this into columns and rows so that you can keep track of where you're at in the random number table. So let's look at some examples. Use a portion of a random number table to generate the random numbers described. For part A, use the first row to generate 8 digits from 1 to 99. So looking for eight numbers from 1 to 99, we have to think of them as a 2-digit number, so 0, 1 to 99. So in that first row, I'm going to pick a random spot to start at by closing my eyes and putting my pencil down. So I'm going to start right here. My first random digit is 59. Then my next 2 digits would be 52, 38, 58, 42. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so far. 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're at 0, 3, and then 16. And that's it. That's how I would use the random number table. Sometimes you would then get these random digits correspond to certain values in your data set. Part B. Use the second row to generate a list of 10 numbers from 1 to 9,999. So now we need 4 digits for each value. So we're going from 0, 0, 0, 1 to 9,999. So because it's pretty high, I'm actually going to start at the beginning of this row. So our first would be 4962. Our next would be 0616. Then we would have 4361. 2394. 5681. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3315. 1281. And my last one, 8873. Okay. Use the second row to generate 10 numbers from 1 to 700. So now I'm going to go from 001 to 700. And in this case, if I get a 3-digit number that's out of my interval that I need, I ignore that group of 3 digits and go to the next. So I'm looking in the second row and picking a random spot to start. I'm going to start at 206. That's my first one. Then I could have 164. 361. 239. 456. But now this next one would be 813, but that 8 is out of the interval I need. So I ignore that group And I go to the next group of 3, which would be 3, 1, 5. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 6 so far. 1, 2, 8. 1, 8, 8. 6, 7, 8. My next one, 7, 3, 5, is again too big. It's out of my interval, so I ignore that. Go to 5, 8, 2. My next one would be 8, 9, 5, again too big. So I'm going to ignore 8, 9, 5. I'm at the end of the row, but I'm going to continue down to my next row. So 5, 9, 5 would be my next one. And I think that's it. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Okay. Our next one, use the third row to generate 9 numbers from 1 to 75. We're going from 0, 1 to 75. Pick a random starting point. I'm going to start right here. 90. Too big. My next 2 digits. 88. Still too big. My next 2. 52. There's my first one. 43. 77. 87. Too big. 25. 80. Too big. 15. 29. Let's see, we needed 9, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 30. 50. 79, too big. 53. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. I hope this video helps. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.